Hey sand fans and Dunatics, Sand Phil here. Hey, today let's get back working on the Vinson. This should be the last video for the Vinson. I was waiting on a couple little plastic pieces to come in for it to put it all back together, but it is almost all back together. So let's cross our fingers and hope today we can get all the plastic back on it, and who knows, maybe we'll drive it around the front yard a little bit. I don't know. Let's get going. Alright everybody, look, the Vinson is almost done. But there are some things we got to put on. We got to put on this deal, which is the tank cover that covers this part. But before we can put that stuff on, we have to put this on. This is the part that goes over the tank. So, you got to take the gas cap off. This guy slides in there like this and hooks in. Alright, so that goes in like that. Put the gas cap back on it. Okay. You've got these plastic rivet looking deals like this. This is what holds all that stuff together. I ordered a whole bunch of these on the internet. I got like 200 of them, I think, for like $12. But I did have to wait a long time because they came from China probably. I don't know. Way overseas. But you just push these in and then you push that top part in. It locks it in. So let's get this guy in there. Okay. And then I think this part goes on. Goes in like that. And like I said, there's a whole bunch of these plastic clip things that go in. Same thing over here, guys. I'm just putting these little plastic rivet things in. Alright, guys. Cool. Now we need to put the air box on. Let me see where it is. Right here. The air box lid needs to go on. That goes on. This. Alright guys, let's put the seat back on. Okay everybody, you want to take a walk around of it? Alright, it came out pretty good. Look, we got the front end all put back on. I know the lights are in your way. There we go. Alright, what do you say we try to start this guy up and I'll take it out front and we'll ride it around. Alright everybody, got it running. Check this out. Okay, so let's put it in reverse and we'll give it a little gas. And we're backing up. Okay. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Okay, neutral. So let's kick her up in gear. Look, speedometer works. Shift it into second. Alright guys, I'm going to drive it around a little bit. Well, alright everybody, we're going to call this one good. I would call that a success. I know it was smoking a little bit, but you got to remember, we just rebuilt the complete engine on this. So it's going to give it a little bit of time, you know, for everything to break in. But I noticed the smoke kind of slowed down a bunch after I rode it. I did rip it up and down the street, got it up to about 30 miles an hour, only in 4th gear, so I'd say we're in a win. Anyway, let's see. If you guys want any stickers or anything, this is what they look like. Send me a self-addressed stamped envelope to the P.O. box in the description below. Make sure and check out Drew. Village Tactical. Without Drew, none of this stuff would be happening right now. Anyway, this is going to be Sandfill out. Be safe on the dunes. Bye.